How to turn any folder on your computer into a password protected locker so as to keep all your personal documents private and secured. Let's do this. Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. So today we are going to see how to turn any folder on our computer into a password protected locker so we can keep all our personal documents private and secured. We are simply going to use Notepad and a simple batch program. No need to install a third-party application. Let's begin. So we are first going to open the Notepad application on our computer, and the moment you open Notepad on your computer, you will simply type in this code. Me, I've copy pasted for time safety. So when you type in this code, you will come at the level of the code where you have your password. So at this level of the program, you are going to replace your password with the password you actually want. I place in your password just for the tutorial. So I will choose any banal password. Let's just say good morning, for instance. But it's preferable to choose a secure password so it can't easily be gotten. So I've chosen just an easy password for the tutorial, good morning, with a hyphen in between. And the moment you have this, you are simply going to go and save the batch file. So save as, I will save it as locker.bat, and since I've specified the file extension, I place it here as all files, and I'm going to save it on the desktop for easy access for the tutorial. Save. Now that this is done, you are going to simply come on your desktop and you can see this executable program we have here, Locker. Now what do? You are simply going to double click to run the program. The moment you double click it, it is automatically going to create a folder, and the name of the folder is Locker, the same name as the name of the executable program here. You can now add any document you want inside this your Locker folder. I'm simply going to add, let's say I will add these HTML documents, for example, inside. There are multiple documents within this folder. I will simply add the entire folder as a subfolder within our Locker folder. I've added the element I want to add. You can add any other element, image, picture, and whatsoever. The moment this is done, you are going again to double click on the executable program. So you are going to double click on your batch program, and when you double click, it will ask you to choose either yes or no, whether you want to lock the folder. You are simply going to type in Y for yes, it has indicated in bracket, and you click on enter. And when you click on enter, you see that the Locker folder has disappeared. Actually, it is hidden. Now, whenever you want to open that your Locker folder to access your hidden document, you simply have to come on the executable program and double click to run it. When you double click to run it, it will ask you to enter the password to unlock. Now, we had set a password which was good morning. So you are simply going to type in good morning. And the moment you type in good morning, you simply have to press on enter. Now my antivirus might cause a problem. No, it didn't. And you see it here, we have the Locker folder which has appeared again. And if you double click, you have the folder here. You can access all your documents. The moment you are done and you want to hide the folder again, you simply come on the executable program and you double click. Are you sure you want to lock the folder? You simply press on Y and you click on enter, and the folder disappears again. Now sometimes the first time I did this process already, if you do it for your first time and you have an antivirus like Avast, for instance, it can generate a warning, but you simply have to press on OK or allow permission. So now you know how to turn any folder into a password protected locker. Don't thank me, subscribe.